Today, we journey into the world of these unseen wonders, the 10 rarest animals on our planet. Imagine a creature of immense strength, yet vulnerable to the whims of mankind. This is the African forest elephant, a gentle giant that roams the dense undergrowth of the African jungles. Smaller than its savanna counterpart, this elephant is a unique creature with straight tusks and rounded ears. Its home, the lush, thick forests of Central and West Africa, is a world of towering trees and dappled sunlight. Yet beneath the forest's tranquil beauty, a crisis unfolds. The current population of this magnificent creature is distressingly low. The primary threat? Poaching, driven by the insatiable global demand for ivory. These elephants also face the relentless encroachment of human activity, causing loss of habitat and food sources. The African forest elephant, a magnificent testament to nature's beauty, now critically endangered. Its plight is a stark reminder of our responsibility to protect these remarkable creatures and the habitats they call home. From the vast African forests, we traverse to the unique island of Madagascar. Here, we find the greater bamboo lemur, an extraordinary creature with a fondness for bamboo, consuming up to 90% of its diet in bamboo alone. But this distinctive diet has become a curse. With deforestation stripping away its food source, their numbers are critically falling. Climate change too adds an unfavorable twist, altering the very landscapes this lemur calls home. The greater bamboo lemur, a remarkable species, now standing on the precipice of existence. Now we journey to the lush rainforests of Sumatra. Here, amidst the verdant foliage, lives the Tapanuli orangutan, a creature as enigmatic as it is endangered. With a population of fewer than 800, the Tapanuli orangutan is a distinct species from its Bornean and Sumatran relatives, characterized by frizzier hair and a unique culture of tool use. Tragically, this intelligent primate is precariously balanced on the brink of extinction, threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and the impacts of climate change. The Tapanuli orangutan, a primate of immense intelligence now critically endangered. From the rainforests of Sumatra, we find ourselves in the Australian outback. Here, a peculiar creature is waging a battle for its existence, the northern hairy-nosed wombat. This unique animal, known for its distinctive whiskered nose and stout body, is one of the world's rarest large mammals. Tragically, their numbers have plummeted due to habitat loss and competition for food. Once common across the outback, they are now confined to a single location, their population teetering at just a couple of hundred. The northern hairy-nosed wombat, a burrower of the outback, now on the brink of extinction. We've met 5 of our planet's rarest animals. It's time to discover the remaining 5. Our next stop takes us to the waters of the northern Gulf of California, where the smallest cetacean in the world, the vaquita, makes its home. With a population dwindling to fewer than 30, this diminutive porpoise is the most endangered marine mammal on Earth. The vaquita, Spanish for little cow, is threatened by illegal fishing practices that entangle and drown these innocent cetaceans. From the waters, we move to the dense tropical rainforests of Java, Indonesia, where the Javan rhinoceros resides. This one-horned wonder is one of the rarest large mammals in the world, with only about 60 individuals left. Habitat loss and poaching for their valuable horn have brought these beautiful creatures to the brink of extinction. Next, we journey to the forests of Cameroon and Nigeria, where the cross-river gorilla, the world's rarest great ape, is fighting for survival. With an estimated population of just 300, these gorillas are losing their homes to deforestation and are threatened by hunting. We then fly to the remote forests of New Zealand, where the world's heaviest parrot, the kakapo, lives. With a population of just over 200, these flightless birds are threatened by introduced predators and habitat loss. Their uniqueness lies in their nocturnal nature and the fact that they can live for decades, longer than most birds. Our final stop is the Russian Far East, where we find the Amur leopard, the world's rarest big cat. With fewer than 100 individuals in the wild, these leopards are threatened by poaching, habitat loss, and a decreasing prey base. Their distinctively beautiful coat makes them a prime target for illegal wildlife trade. These are the remaining 5 of the 10 rarest animals in the world, each unique and each critically endangered. Our journey through the unseen wonders reveals a sobering reality. We've embarked on a journey a voyage of discovery, unveiling the stories of 10 of the rarest animals on our planet. Each of them, from the African forest elephant to the northern hairy-nosed wombat, faces threats that are all too real and immediate. These animals aren't just rare, they're critically endangered. They're battling habitat loss, poaching, climate change, all human-induced threats. But let's not forget, if we've the power to endanger, we also have the power to protect and preserve. Conservation is more than a buzzword. It's a commitment, an acknowledgement of our responsibility towards these irreplaceable wonders of nature. And it's not a task reserved for scientists or environmentalists alone. Each one of us can contribute to these efforts in small or substantial ways. It could be as simple as making conscious choices, like reducing waste, recycling, or supporting organizations committed to conservation. Remember, every action counts. Every step towards conservation is a step towards preserving these precious lives, and in turn, our own. For our survival is intertwined with theirs in the intricate web of life on Earth. Each of these 10 rarest animals carries a story of survival, a testament to the resilience of life. Their existence is a call to us, a plea for conservation. Will we answer their call?